Have you ever looked at a beautiful painting and felt that pull, that little voice that says, boy, I wish I could do something like that? Today, I'm thrilled to share my online workshop, Pastels Simplified. I'll hand you a complete kit of professional materials and walk you through 9 beautiful paintings from start to finish. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced artist, this is for you. After decades of teaching, I realized the thing that stops most people isn't talent. It's not knowing where to start. The choices are just so overwhelming. The wrong materials can lead to a really disappointing experience. And without guidance, it's easy to pick up bad habits that hold you back before you've even begun. So I built the entry point that I wish had always existed. I partnered with Dakota Art Pastels and created a complete kit that ships straight to your door. The box includes 28 professional-grade blue earth pastels that I hand-selected myself, beautiful Canson Velvet paper, tracing paper, and compressed charcoal. Everything is chosen to work perfectly together. While there are a few simple additional things that you'll need, I'll walk you through exactly what those are, and you won't have to deal with overwhelming art store trips, guessing games, or wrong purchases. And here's the thing, you don't need a lot of colors, you just need the right colors. And with this set, you can paint every subject in this workshop. And one of the most exciting things is discovering just how much variety you can create with the same 28 sticks. I've done the choosing for you, so every color earns its place. I'll show you how to draw each subject step by step, or if you prefer, you can skip drawing for now. Use the prepared outline included with every project and go straight to painting. Either way, I walk you through transferring your drawing onto pastel paper so you're set up perfectly. It's completely up to you. Through over 10 hours of video lessons and a beautifully illustrated 100+ page ebook, we'll paint 9 complete works together. We'll start with the still life of 2 pairs and move on to dramatic clouds and sky. You'll paint a lush green marsh, a glowing sunset, a bold rooster, and from there we'll tackle a snow-capped Canadian mountain in autumn, a boat on a tropical beach, vivid poppies, and finally a sun-baked vintage orange truck. Each piece builds on the last, and I'm right there guiding you through every stroke. But here's what really matters. Pastels are pure pigment at your fingertips. No brushes, no mixing, no solvents, and no drying time. You pick up a stick and touch it to the paper, and color just happens. It's the most immediate, most rewarding way to create art that I know of. And because this kit puts professional quality materials in your hands from the very start, you're going to get a real experience from day one. With lifetime access to every video, you can learn at your own pace and revisit any lesson whenever you need it. You'll join a private Facebook community where you can share your progress, ask questions, and connect with fellow students on the same journey. And when your 9 paintings are finished, I'll teach you how to frame them yourself, step by step. Imagine a wall of 9 finished pieces, all created with the same 28 sticks, each one a completely different subject, and every single one of them yours. Ready to discover what pastels can do? Join me in Pastels Simplified. Head over to paintinglessonswithmarla.com and let's start painting together.